আমি বাংলাদেশ নিয়ে কোনো কথা বলতে পারি না, কারণ ওটা একটা আলাদা দেশ। যা বলার ইন্ডিয়া গভর্নমেন্ট বলবে, আমি বলতে পারি না। কিন্তু আমি এটুকু বলতে পারি, অসহায় মানুষ যদি বাংলায় দরজা খটখটানি করে, আমরা তাদের আশ্রয় নিশ্চয়ই দেব। তার কারণ এটা ইউনাইটেড নেশনসের একটা রেজুলেশন আছে, কেউ যদি রিফিউজি হয়ে যায় তাকে পার্শ্ববর্তী এলাকা তাকে সম্মান জানাবে।
Now, the statement by the West Bengal Chief Minister has in fact elicited a strong response from the Bangladesh Foreign Minister, who has now opined that this leaves room for more confusion.
ব্যানার্জির প্রতি যথাযথ সম্মান রেখেই বলতে চাই, তার সাথে আমাদের সম্পর্ক অত্যন্ত চমৎকার, ঘনিষ্ঠ, উষ্ণ। কিন্তু তার এই বক্তব্যে অনেকটা বিভ্রান্তি ছড়ানো হয়েছে এবং বিভ্রান্ত হওয়ার সুযোগ রয়েছে। সেজন্য আমরা তার এই বক্তব্যের ব্যাপারে ভারত সরকারকে ইতিমধ্যেই নোট দিয়ে আমরা জানিয়েছি।
Well, let me go across to Shreya now, who's been tracking all these reactions. A controversial remark, rather, coming from the West Bengal Chief Minister, Shreya, and then a strong response from the Bangladeshi Foreign Minister as well. And the MEA has also now weighed.
Well, of course, we see that the MEA is trying to give a message, a strict message to the state, trying to tell them not to intrude into foreign ministry. And it is not in our view of the state. First, we see that Kerala appoints senior officer for external cooperation. And then we see it is Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee, who on the wake of the protest in Bangladesh says that the doors are open in Bengal for the refugees coming from Bangladesh. Although Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee says that it is not in her purview and it is to be seen by the foreign ministry, but still she says that her doors will be open and she'll be sheltering the refugees who are becoming a target of the protest in Bangladesh. So MEA takes notice. In fact, we see Bangladesh response says that it creates room for more confusion, and BJP also comes out to take a troll on Mamata Banerjee, says that Mamata Banerjee is making this kind of statement and it is a separatist statement by Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee.
Thanks for that, Shreya. Now, the Ministry of External Affairs spokesperson was specifically asked about Mamata Banerjee's remarks, and he confirmed that Bangladesh had indeed written to the government about the West Bengal Chief Minister's remarks and how it could possibly mislead people.
And for everybody else, I would like to first speak in English and thereafter make my comments in Hindi. I can confirm that we have received a diplomatic note, communication from the Bangladeshi side, protesting the comments made by Chief Minister of West Bengal. It is essentially on the lines that you would have seen in the reports that have come out today. Again, I would like to underline that under the 7th Schedule, List 1, Union List, Item 10 of our Constitution, the conduct of foreign affairs and all matters which bring the Union into relation with any foreign country are the sole prerogative of the Union government.
Now, the Bangladesh Foreign Minister spoke quite diplomatically in response to what Mamata Banerjee said. The BJP, however, which is in opposition in the state of West Bengal, is under no such compulsion. Let's listen into what the leader of the opposition in the West Bengal Assembly, Mr. Suvendu Adhikari, had to say.
ये दूसरा प्रदेश बना दिया। ममता ने पश्चिम बंगाल को भारत से निकाल दिया है। ममता बनर्जी पश्चिम बंगाल, यहाँ स्टेट पुलिस में इजाजत है, सेंट्रल फोर्स का इजाजत नहीं है।